5 rán zóne, s tlčíkom na miesto som musel dať.
Zásobníky.
Že vyzerá to tu celkom prázdne, ty kokos, to elektro. Keďže sú tu zombici,
tak jak mám sa zabiť?
Počkaj. Ako chceš, ak ťa nenútim, ja aj tak možno skôr umrem.
By sme mohli skúsiť ísť z balotu a teda.
Počkaj, dobre, mám brokovnicu. Takže mám brokovnicu a 15 nábojov, tak ešte tu potrolím trošku a... Potom si v posledným nábojom vystrelím hlavu, keď tak. Life is strange. A už tu ako si mám. Jasné, life is strange, ty kokos. Som prešiel ešte. Hodí mi tu typek, kde je.
Pokos, ja som taký nalútený, že sa mi oplatí vtedy bežať.
Yo, friendly.
Ja ťa serem, že si friendly, ty kokos. Boha, zase mi nejde nabiť, ty kokos, cez to rýchle menu. Fakt, na čo to tu je? Ty kokos, na čo? No nenabijem, ty kokos, cez rýchle menu. Aha, ja mám dodrbanú hru, ty kokos, fakt.
Ale nie inak nechcem nabiť cez rýchle menu.
Mne nejde vôbec nabiť. Nedalo do ruky náboje, keď som dal na brokovnicu. Aha, mne sa sekla zbraň, ty kokos.
Amen, come to me. Amen, come to me. Yeah, come to me. I'll kill the guy with... What the fuck, man? I was trying to help you. What the fuck? I tried to help you. Why did you break my legs? I was telling you to come here so I could kill the guy with the motorcycle helmet.
Super, poranil som si nohy ani neviem ako na policajne.
Jakub, pretože by to...
myself, please. Why did you do this? I was trying to help you.
Sorry, I panicked. Wait. Do splint.
A zombie. Kill zombie.
Fuck. Oh my god, because... No.
Yeah. Do you have a...
Oh fuck.
Shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah. There's a zombie coming from the hospital. Yeah. Hey, do you have sticks, man? Oh, thanks. Do you have a...
No, I don't have axe or knife.
Can you take my axe, and there is a bush. And can you get some sticks, please?
Okay.
Okay, get my axe, and there somewhere are bushes.
Počuješ, čo sa stalo? Si tu, Majo?
Hej.
Počujem ma, nahádal ma typeček, chcel som ho zabiť, nemohol som ho trafiť, vieš.
Aha.
A v tom vybehol druhý a že poď ku mne, ja ti pomôžem. A tomu som zlomil nohy a on že prečo si to urobil, ja som ti chcel pomôcť s tým typkom v tej onej helme. OK, tak mu pomôžem teraz.
You got some sticks for me there? Oh, thanks.
Hľadám nejaké boty do roboty. Gun holster.
Excellent. Alright, crafting my splint. So what happened there? I was at the church and I saw like 2 guys running there. I thought, what the hell? What happened?
What the fuck, ty kokos.
You dropped some ammo on there, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think my splint is okay.
Here, take this.
Thank you. Yep, splint fix. Thanks. Wait, what are you doing?
Sorry, man.
Wait,
For
I want
your
that.
leg.
I want that face mask. Can I? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Wait, you're gonna suicide. Oh shit, man. Can I do
Be
it?
no, let me. Be safe.
Lisa is tu.
Oh, I need to tell you something. I panicked. Sorry, my friend. You killed my friend. I hope you regret this, because next time I'll see you, you're done.
I don't care. This is the last time I play on this server. I want your face mask. Dobre, typečkovi som od typečka som si zobral sekeru, spravil som mu styky, urobil si dlahu, dal som mu náboj do brokovnice, všetky veci som vyhádzal a posledným nábojom som spáchal samovraždu pred ním. Oh man. A zas som v elektre, ty vole. Idem ho pozdraviť? Tento príbeh je smutný, napísal ho sám život. My god. Kolo to čaries, release.
To už si jak Griffmus.
Je, napíšem. Story. Dokument o DayZ.
Napísal som život.
Dokument o DayZ. O živote v DayZ.
Ja nájdem jedny topánky posledné.
Čo? No neviem, to mi randomne pikuje. People. Ja si nevyberem. Revočus. A on tam ešte je, typeček pri mojej mŕtvole.
Plače nad hrobom.
To spieva rugby, ne? Oh, help me please! Help me!
No teraz ti zabil
Alright,
tvoju
alright.
vlastnú brokovnicu. Teď jsem tě mohl zabít tvoju
Come here.
zbraň.
Ah. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Aha, ja ho mlatím.
Yeah, punch it, come on, punch it, punch it. Yeah, keep punching it. Keep punching it. Good job. You bleeding?
No, no.
Wait, did you... What happened? Wait, man, yeah, I'm gonna tell you the story. So, that guy killed that guy, my friend, and then he killed himself, and that was it.
Sad story, man, sad story.
Yeah. So if you are thinking I killed some of these, not true, just saying.
Hey, I tell you a secret.
You know what? Take the clothes. Say again?
I tell you a secret.
Yeah, what's the secret?
I'm that girl with the shotgun.
Oh, fuck you! Haha! Fuck you! Lol. Oh, lol, man.
Umel, čo?
But why did you kill my friend? Come on. Like, why?
Sorry. I don't want this.
Did I kill yourself again?
You can kill me if you want.
Okay.
Oh my god. Ne, on ma chce zviazať. Idiot.
I'd rather
Hey
stay up.
man.
Tak nechaj
Did
sa,
it
ja
work?
tam dobehnem za pol hodiny.
Hey! Hey! I'm gonna kill you,
Mám jeden
okay?
náboj do Glocka.
Give
Ja
me
som
the
povedal, že nech ma
chance.
zabije, ty koksa, on ma chcel zviazať. Hajzel.
Serious, mate. And shotgun. Think so, I hope.
Zobral tú brokovnicu, či ako? Asi hej, čo?
I'll pick up the shotgun. We've got the shotgun now, huh? But now you're scared of what? Come here. Oh, come on, man.
CS-ko ani moc ne. Málo kedy, a to len for fun, nejaké rac mapy. Jak Boston presne píše. Jo, dal som mu ďalší hit, ty vole. Aha, padol! Jaj, čo ti prdí, ty kokos, really? Major, tak toto asi vystrihneme. Toto bolo paradička. OK, tvoja vlastná medicínka, chlapček. Čo ty na to? OK.
I love you, man. Yeah, I'll get out eventually, and you know it. Wait, where's my Mosin here? I got my shotgun. What the fuck is that?
OK.
Fun.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna kill you and then kill myself, okay?
Wait, whoa. Why kill me?
Because you tried to tie me up and that's
Hey, you
not
asked
good.
me to kill you. You asked
yo.
me to kill you.
I asked to kill you, not to tie me. You're bad. Now
Yeah,
you must
sorry.
die.
Sorry, okay.
And
Okay.
then I kill myself because I tried to respawn on other place with my friend. Sorry, so
Yeah, okay. Let me free and I'll do it, okay?
okay. Tak, teraz toto celé sa mi ľúbilo. Toto celé sa mi moc ľúbilo. OK. Major, ty si kde?
Jo, pri balote.
OK. Jdu za tebou.
Tak černo, balota.
Oh my god, ty kokos. Ježiš, tak toto bola story ako svinia, ty kokos.